Welcome to Manga Cooking. In this video, I'll be making beer beef jerky mix based on the manga Yama to Shokuyoku to Watashi by the mangaka Hideo Shinanogawa. The title translates to The Mountain, My Appetite, and Me. The recipe comes from volume 5 of the manga. The ingredients are 3.6 ounces of rice, 8 to 12 pieces of beef jerky, depending on how big the pieces are, 1 large can of beer, which is 25 fluid ounces. Like the manga, we'll be using Kirin beer, which also happens to be my favorite Japanese beer. You could use other beers for this recipe if you'd like, as the dish will taste of said beer, so it might as well be your favorite beer. Lastly, curry powder to taste. You'll need a can opener for this recipe, and I got a can opener like the mangas from Daiso. It's similar to the military P38 can opener. Besides removing the top of the can, it can also be used for flipping the pull tab of canned drinks and to flip up the can lid safely after you cut them open. There's also a bottle opener, which makes this a versatile little tool to take on hiking and camping trips. The main focus of this recipe is the beer can. It's the cookware and has an ingredient inside of it. First things first, we have to open it. Oh wait, I should use the can opener to flip the tab to demonstrate it. Drink half of the can of beer. What a great way to start a recipe. Remove the top of the can with your can opener. You can also use the more standard can opener to remove the top too, as I demonstrate here. Whoops, cut a little too much over. Make sure you don't do that, especially with the large can, as it'll be quite difficult to get out. Seemed a little easier to cut with the standard can opener, didn't it? Though if you're going hiking or camping, weight and size does matter for when you're packing. The can opener from Daiso is much smaller in size, so it's more preferable to pack. Plus, it has more uses. Put all the rice in the can. Ah, a little foam is coming up. Let's blow that away. Add all the jerky in the can. Turn on the stove. Put the can on the stove for 20 minutes. Blow away overflowing foam. Turn off the stove after 20 minutes. Cover the top of the can to steam for 15 minutes. You can use something small like a cooking pan to cover it. Jajan! The beer beef jerky mix is done. The rice is well cooked, mostly fluffy, and has a scent of kidding beer. Let's get a piece of jerky for the picture too. Just like the manga. Time for a taste test. Itadakimasu. The rice certainly has absorbed all the kidding beer flavor. As I use pepper jerky, you can taste the spice of the pepper as well, which gives it a nice accented flavor. Like the manga, we'll be adding curry powder as well. Mix everything up in the can. Time for another taste. The curry powder really helps to make the bitterness of the beer flavor to become more mild so more people can enjoy it, just like Ayumi in the manga. You can currently buy the manga on Amazon Japan. When it's translated, please buy the manga to support the mangaka. Thank you. You can also follow the mangaka on Twitter. There's also a Twitter for the manga as well you can follow. Until next time, see ya!